Hello and welcome to Sweden. It's now Friday 8th of September and we've been travelling since Sunday when we landed in Calais after getting off the channel. What was the channel like?
The channel was as usual dead straightforward on a Sunday evening. Absolutely deserted car park, straight into pet reception, and we discussed the extra things we have to do at the border to get Buddy into Sweden, and they advised us what to do then. We got to the customs booth just before the Eurotunnel. What happened then?
I handed the French chap, the passports, and he handed me back and gave me the stamp, and we had to stamp his passports ourselves. That was a bit weird. And then he advised us where to go to get this Section 8 of the Animal Health Certificate signed, which was where?
It was the customs building just at the passport control. So I went in there and it was really weird. There was nobody about, and I peeked through a window and there was all the French customs guys having the tea. So I timidly knocked on the window and one of them came out, explained what we needed, and he went away and stamped it and signed everything. And then we got back in and off to the very empty tunnel.
And that was it. Rolled off the tunnel and we visited an area that we visited a few times. It's just convenient. It's only 10 minutes from where you disembark, and it's got waste and water. It's a really secure place. We'll walk through words it, so if you ever need to use it, you can do. And it's what, €11?
Yeah,
and then €3 for water. And that was that. We had an early night, ready to start travelling north. Back in the groove again, filling up with water, emptying toilet, all the van admin that's brilliant about Vanlife.
Day one of actually being on the continent as well. So this is it, we're off to
Bonjour.
Sweden.
Not today, right?
Not today, but we'll get as far as we can get today. And beautiful sunshine as well. So our plan is to try and get up to Pittier as quickly as we can without being distracted by too many sights along the way. So day one was just to get as far as we could, and we ended up crossing through France, Belgium, Netherlands and into Germany to a little free stop at Hayes Lake. Country number 2. Country number 3. Slide up on the vine. Country number 4. The park we're going to, Andrew, has got 17 spaces. Let's play that. How many spaces will there be game? 9. Nice one. I'll say that there are going to be 7 spaces.
Which in German
is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what 6 and 7 are. I'll have to learn it. Okay, so there's a part here, and there's, in fact, I think we just turn here. Yeah, because that looks busy there. Loads of space.
Hayes Lake. It was a great stop, wasn't it? Nice and quiet overnight. You could have a little potter about. There were some paths and some wildflowers and that kind of stuff. But we basically cooked, eat and drink, and walked the dog, and had an early night because we'd done 340 miles thereabouts.
So day 2 of travelling, we left Hayes Lake in Germany and travelled straight up to Kolding in Denmark. More and more never will be enough. I could learn from your... Which was country number 5, Denmark. We stayed in the marina, which was a beautiful spot, right on the edge of the fjord, at Kolding Fjord. Your heart is quite strong. Because your needs are very small. And took the kayak out, which Pauline and Steve had brought, and went swimming in the fjord. Well,
I didn't go swimming in the fjord because I'm the sensible one, and I looked what was in the fjord, and I didn't think it was very hygienic.
It was a bit squidgy underground. I'm glad I had my waterproof shoes on, but we could see crabs and everything. Buddy went in. Come on, Dafty. And I enjoyed kayaking for the first time.
But it ponged a bit.
Yeah, it did a bit.
Okay.
So I think that was about $18.50, I think, for the night. And you could pay to have showers, use the toilets. It worked out at a Danish kroner a minute of a shower. So it's really good value.
Then where?
So day 3 of travelling, we then crossed over the Storebælt Bridge and the Oresund Bridge into Malmö. And that was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah, stunning.
Waking up in the flower bed, the sun is up, table set, we eat and drink. Body and bread, blood and wine, there's a time to live, time to die, and a time to be. Slow down and listen for a heartbeat. With everything in motion, say a word, hold a hand. Life is not the sum of what we plan, but the in-between. This miracle of human life and the body and time that we occupy, it is all together sacred.
Yeah, we need to be in the green. This is going to be interesting. I don't know, just choose one. Well, drive up to the barrier.
Oh, there's a red light in the back.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, we had a beep.
Oh, I like that. Where's the battery?
I don't know. Coming from all angles now.
Every single moment.
Rocky races.
La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Sweden, country number 6.
Tomorrow's still a mystery.
Biz, nothing to declare. Nope, beeped. Let us go. That's us. We used the Biz to get through the autopass system. We heard it ping every time we went through.
It was easy, the barrier just came up and we went through. So, and we've since been invoiced by his bank, so that's all worked out really well.
And our worries about Buddy being stopped at Swedish control and this page 8 business, nobody stopped us and we just went straight through.
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah.
Driving, the further north we get, the better it's become. It's just lovely. Cruise control, quiet roads, lovely scenery. It's a dream to drive. Even though 1 or 2 days have been quite long, it's just easy. It's just great.
So our decision to stay in Malmö was around where we could park up for the night, and some of the reports on park for night for some of the park ups were a little bit dodgy. So we ended up staying at a campsite called the Grand Circus Hotel.
That turned out to be just a revelation, really. It was brilliant, and none of the pictures or video or any of our descriptions will do it justice, because what we can't do is describe a bit of a feeling that we got. So within minutes of arriving, we parked up and then we sat at reception peeing. The team there was so friendly. We had a beer and just it was just a whole vibe about it.
Yeah, quite bohemian, relaxed, and the lady at reception said it's a certain type of people that come here that want that sort of enjoy that sort of a lifestyle. It's not 5-star, but the bathrooms were clean, the showers were roasting hot showers, weren't they? And just that feel. And at night we sat around the campfire with the staff and with the owner and a few of the other guests, just chatting about life and what it's like to live in their country compared to ours. We talked about Brexit, COVID, how we feel about life. It was really, really
brilliant.
nice. Yeah.
So we stayed another night.
You're the original, uncontainable, almost criminal, na 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 na. You're the original, uncontainable, almost criminal, na 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 na. Never gonna stop, you're never gonna give you up.
Left there this morning after a second night, and yet again travelled north to where we are now in this beautiful hide overlooking what's the name of the lake?
It is Lake Takern, if that's how you pronounce it.
And if you want to know more about this place and where we go next, you'll have to watch the next vlog.
Indeed you will, as we head further north past Stockholm, and we'll see how far we get.
Once again, thanks for tuning in and watching. See you next time.